coming to you live a whole year later with the hiccups. Literally a whole year later. In my last hiccup video, I was really drunk. And I had the hiccups really bad. But I'm sober right now, and I don't feel good, but I have the hiccups right now, and it's pretty weird. And I haven't had the hiccups in so long. Let's see. I got hiccups like a bitch. It's like my last video. They sound like burps. They're like little tiny bursts of surprises. And I guess that I get them like once a year. So it's really weird that I have the hiccups right now. They just came out of nowhere. I had them, like 2 of them earlier today. And then they stopped. And then I just got home. And now I just have the hiccups like crazy. But I just wanted to come to you guys live a whole year and some months later with a new hiccup video. Let's see. That's funny. I have a big forehead right now. I don't feel good either. I got home from work early. You guys are probably tired of listening to me talk. It was probably more fun to watch last year because I was drunk, but I'm sober. So, ew.